And this is another My Jeep WJ update. And it's Saturday. And as you can see, I'm working on control arms, upper and lower. Upper on the front side, lower in the rear, and the adjustable MaXpeedingrods. And while I have the Jeep back in the garage and up on jack stands, I'll be checking some of the issues that I've ran into with suspension. Sway bar end links not being aligned, axle possibly out of alignment and not centered, and sway bar could be upside down. I'm not sure on that one. Somebody told me to check it, and I will. And also be pulling the coil springs out and checking them for alignment.
And good morning, it's my Jeep update, and it is Saturday, July 22nd. And yes, I got the old Jeep back in the garage, Expedition, on the driveway. And here's these, sorry about the poor English. Here's the control arms that I got yesterday. It was too hot in the afternoon to work on these. We've had heat alerts for the last week or so. High humidity and low to mid 90s. Anyway, here's the uppers. And here's some, I guess these are some kind of spacers, I'm not sure. And here's the lower rear. This is the front, upper, rear, lower. And it comes with 8 spacers. I'm gonna have to check out one of the videos that I watched on these, see how many. I guess you got to use them all, I'm not sure. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do one side at a time, just like what I saw on a video. I believe it's Najar, Najar, and the project Dan H. I watched both of those videos installing the rear adjustable control arms from MaXpeedingrods, and I'll be reviewing that. But first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this left driver's side off control arm. It's only got about 120 miles on it, if that, and get it ready, that side ready for the adjustable control arm. Out for now. Yeah, it's my Jeep update. It's about 10:15, still Saturday morning. As you can see on the left driver's side, I got the lower rear control arm off, and I've got it over here. Well, I understand you got to match it up, this adjustable one, adjust it to where it matches up to the same size as the original control arm. It's really a shame that these are new control arms. But anyway, the black ones were new also. They got only, even though they're a couple of years old, they only got about 100 miles on. Anyway, before I install this, I want to make sure that I'm going to lock this right. And before I put it on, you see there's my bolts. And so I'll get back with you on another update as soon as I get this lower one installed. I'm not going to give a lot of details because I've got 2 great YouTube channels that I can refer you to that show great video of installing these same control arms, and I will put that in this video so you can go to them and get the details. My Jeep.
Here you see the passenger side coil spring. I have some issues. Spacers in there, they're hard to see, but I was trying to offset that right rear sag. And while I got it in here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this passenger spring out, check it. I'm having suspicions that the coil spring mount over the axle may have been bent or knocked out of place when they had their accident.
See, here's the driver's side. If you look at it, it's straight up and down. It looks good. And that's the way the passenger side should look, but it looks kind of wacky to me, so I'm going to take the springs.
I want to compare them again. I may swap them around too. I wasn't planning on all this rework on the suspension. I thought I had it whipped, but I'm still learning. And so long for now.